Welcome back to Primetime Sports Friday. Now, 2012 Olympic sprint hurdles champion Sally Pearson says she is still trying to get back to her best as she prepares for the Racers Grand Prix, which gets underway at the National Stadium tomorrow.
Since suffering a devastating hand injury in 2015, Sally Pearson hasn't been the same athlete. A few years before, Pearson was undoubtedly the best sprint hurdler in the world, having won 1 Olympic and 1 world title and getting as close as 0.07 of a second to the world record. Now the 30-year-old is just focused on getting back to being competitive at the highest level.
It's been tough 2 years coming back from not just my wrist injury but hamstrings and Achilles injuries as well, so it's it's good to be back and being competitive, and as I said, it's a building year for me, so yeah, we'll see how I can go.
Since her last major global success, much has changed in her event, including the world record being broken. But Pearson says she has never been focused on getting that mark.
I've never thought about the world record. I've only thought about racing well and being competitive, and that's what I want to do. I mean, people can't take your winnings away from you, but they can certainly take records away from you. So for me, being out there and being competitive and crossing finishing lines first is more important to me.
Meanwhile, Usain Bolt's manager and member of the organising committee for the Racers Grand Prix, Nugent Walker, says everything is on schedule for tomorrow's meet.
Well, everything is going okay so far. Most of the athletes already have arrived. Production is being set up at National Stadium. Just ensure the athletes are being taken care of, hydrated, get proper meals, get proper rest. So everything is on place to be all well for Saturday.
The second staging of the Racers Grand Prix will mark 8-time Olympic champion Usain Bolt's final competitive appearance on Jamaican soil and will be broadcast live and exclusively on TVJ, TVJSN and OneSpotMedia.com with extensive radio coverage on Hits 92 FM. Jordan Fort, TVJ Sports.